Hey there! Today I will talk about obstacle avoiding robot. So let's start it. This obstacle avoiding robot uses ultrasonic sensor for its movements. The motors are connected through motor driver IC to microcontroller. The ultrasonic sensor is attached in front of the robot. So first of all, what is the ultrasonic sensor? The ultrasonic sensor is used for obstacle detection. Ultrasonic sensor transmits the ultrasonic waves from its sensor head and again receive the ultrasonic waves reflected from an object. The ultrasonic sensor enables the robots to virtually see and recognize the objects, avoid obstacles, and measure distance. The operating range of ultrasonic sensor is 10 cm to 30 cm. How do ultrasonic sensor detect an obstacle? Ultrasonic sensor transmits this sound wave to a certain frequency and measures the distance by listening to return that sound wave. It sends a frequency of ultrasound and works by listening to the echo which returns from an object. In obstacle avoiding robot, the ultrasonic sensor sends continuous ultrasonic waves from its sensor head whenever the robot is moving in the desired direction. Whenever an obstacle comes ahead of it, the ultrasonic waves are reflected back from an object and the information is passed to the microcontroller. The microcontroller controls the motor on the left, right and back according to the ultrasonic signal. To control the speed of each motor, pulse width modulation is used. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then like, comment and share this video.